Hi, I'm Reese.
And I'm Brandy. I'm an environmental science professor, and I've been teaching online and face to face for the last 6 years.
We are both in the Lennar Ryan graduate program for online teaching and instructional design, and I am also seeking a licensure in teaching high school science. So I have been doing student teaching both in person and online. And in this training, we are going to introduce you to Nearpod, which is a free online instructional tool. Nearpod offers the ability to make interactive lessons that include slideshows, questions, videos, collaborative activities, and way more. Nearpod lessons look for live virtual classes, student-paced, or even face-to-face classes. In this training, we'll provide examples and instructions for how to use Nearpod in multiple disciplines, from K-12 to college level courses. Over the course of this training, you will be creating a lesson using Nearpod and exploring the many tools it has to offer.
Okay, so now let's go over what this course is going to be about. First, it's divided into 7 short modules, which you'll see on the Google Classroom. Each module will end with an assignment for you to complete, and each assignment will have a piece of a Nearpod lesson. By the end of this training, you will have developed an online lesson with at least 4 pieces of content and 5 activities. But don't worry, we'll walk you through everything. The last module is simply a reflection on your experience through the training.
If you have any questions through the course of this class, you can feel free to reach out to us by email, which will be posted in the Google Classroom, and we hope you really enjoy!
Looking forward to working with you.